Hello, everyone. I hope you are doing well. Today's story is truly beautiful and very helpful. It is full of simple daily English sentences that you can use in your life. Practice these sentences with me. Repeat them aloud. This story is perfect for beginners. Now, let's begin.
My name is Omar. I grew up in a small town. It was near a river. My mother left when I was young. I do not remember her face. I do not remember her voice. My father never talked about her. He said, "She is gone." That's all. I stopped asking questions. We lived in a quiet house. The walls were old but safe. I liked the river very much. My father worked in a car shop. He woke up early every day. He came home very late. His hands were always dirty. He ate fast and slept early. We did not talk much. I read books in my room. I walked by the river often. I watched birds and water. I tried to talk to neighbors. They were kind, but I stayed silent. Silence became my friend. School was not easy for me. Other boys played together. They laughed and shared stories. I sat alone in a corner. I listened quietly to the teacher. Some boys tried to talk to me. I pushed them away politely. I did not trust anyone. Girls sometimes smiled at me. I walked past them silently. I did not understand friendship. I thought people always leave. Years passed slowly. I finished school at last. I started helping my father. Every day was very similar. We fixed cars all day. We ate simple meals. We spoke only a few words. Then I went to bed. I felt neither happy nor sad. Life was quiet but empty. I thought I needed nothing more. I told myself I was fine alone. One morning, a girl came. She had a problem with her car. She smiled at me politely. I did not look at her face. I just fixed the car quickly. She thanked me softly. She stayed a little longer. She asked, "Do you like working here?" I stayed silent and kept working. She laughed softly, not loudly. Her smile was calm and quiet. I gave her back the keys. The next day, she came back. This time, her car was fine. She just watched me work quietly. I did not understand her reason. She asked small questions sometimes. Other times, she just sat outside. My father noticed and smiled. I tried to ignore her, but I could not stop watching. She was different from others. She never forced me to talk. I started feeling curious about her. One evening, I saw her again. She was sitting by the river. She watched the water quietly. I tried to walk past her, but she smiled at me softly. She asked, "Do you like the river?" I nodded slowly and quietly. She did not say anything more. She just stayed near the water. Her silence felt gentle, not heavy. I felt strange but calm. I wondered why she stayed. One day, she brought me tea. She placed it near my tools. She said, "You work very hard." I did not answer her. Later, I drank the tea slowly. It was warm and comforting. She never asked my personal life. She never expected an answer. She just stayed quietly near me. I started noticing her every day. I waited quietly for her arrival. My heart felt a little lighter. One evening, she came late. She gave me a small box. Inside was a silver keychain. She smiled softly and said, "Open later." I put it in my pocket. I did not know why, but it felt special and warm. The shop felt calmer with her there. I noticed small things about her. The way she watched the sky. The way she laughed quietly. I could not ignore her anymore. My father said one day, "She cares about you." I did not answer him. I thought about her all day. By the river, she asked me, "If I leave, will you miss me?" I could not speak at all. Her words stayed in my mind. I felt a new kind of fear. Fear of losing someone I care. I held the keychain tightly. I did not want her to go. The next morning, she did not come. The shop felt very empty. The river was quiet and still. I waited, but she did not appear. I told myself she might come later. Hours passed very slowly. My chest felt heavy and sad. By evening, her spot was empty. I saw a small note on the bench. It said, "I had to leave, but I knew you would miss me." My heart felt tight for the first time. I thought about her all night. I remembered her soft smile. I remembered her quiet presence. I remembered how she never forced me. I felt lonely for the first time. Her memory stayed with me. I held the keychain in my hand. It felt warm and comforting. I realized she changed me slowly. I felt emotions I never had. I understood what I had missed. My heart started to open slowly. Days passed, and she was gone. But something inside me grew. I noticed small things in life. I smiled quietly at the river. I thought about her softly. I felt joy in small moments. I remembered her soft laughter. I remembered how she looked at the sky. I realized I could care deeply. I realized being alone is not enough. I started hoping someone could stay. I started believing love exists. I will never forget her. She taught me patience slowly. She taught me kindness quietly. She never forced me to speak. She never demanded attention. She stayed quietly, simply being there. Her small gestures meant everything to me. She opened my heart gently. I realized life is better with someone. I realized silence can feel full. I realized I want people in my life. I realized I am no longer afraid. My heart is no longer closed. I feel warmth I never felt before. I feel hope in quiet moments. I feel love in simple gestures. I keep the keychain with me. It reminds me of her presence. I know she changed me forever. I will never close my heart again. I will welcome people slowly. I will not push love away. I will sit by the river and smile. Life is quiet, but now it is full.